Hello, dosto. Welcome to Kaizen Yoga Travel. Hope you're doing well. So this time we are going to take you to the basic skiing course hosted by Atal Mountaineering Institute. It's located in Manali, Trini, and also on the Solang Nala side. So day one, we reached Manali on 13th of January. Course was postponed by 3 days because there was snow, not ample amount of snow for skiing. But when we reached Manali on 13th, me and Suraj, it was snowing already. So we were quite enjoying the evening, and we were prepared for our next day when we went to Rini, the Atal Mountaineering Institute. So in this video, you can see wait till the end, and you can see what we learned within 14 days. The course was really economic. We got everything from lodging, stay, and we got the clothes that we need for skiing, and also food was available, and we got blankets, and we got mattresses, a proper stay for 13 to 14 days, and also gears of skiing and everything that we need for skiing is provided by them. So I would recommend that you take this course if you are looking for economic stay, food, and ski type of thing in next winters. So this was their institute in Perini. This is their hostels where we had to stay for the first day when we reached Manali. The second day, actually, first day we stayed in Manali Mall, and this is the hostel, the campus. It was all beautiful. So we had time, and we what we did, we snooped around the institute, and we did some uh, we did some hiking,
नहीं
you
क्रॉस
can
जाओगे तो
rock
नहीं होगा.
climbing practice,
बस
me,
बस बस.
Suraj, and Hemant. And after that, actually, it was not properly managed, but still, they arranged cabs for us for around 2,000 rupees from Perini to the Solang Nala side.
सर ये डेट फिक्स्ड है या वेरी करेंगे? डेट फिक्स्ड है ये?
बैग लेके
So this is from inside of the Atal Institute in Solang Nala.
नहीं, ये ब्लॉग सिर्फ इसी के लिए कि क्या क्या वो था, मतलब क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है यहाँ का. चलो भाई, तो हमारे को बहुत मेहनत के बाद बढ़िया सा रूम मिल गया है यहाँ पे. बुखारी लगी है, अभी आग जल जाएगी इसमें थोड़ी देर में.
लगी
जलाए कुछ जलानी पड़ेगी.
कैसे जलाने बता व्यवस्था तो है आग तो है हमारे पास रात ही किसमें जलाने खैर जलाने के लिए लेता हूँ
तू कितने दिनों बाद उठा भाई? 6:30 बजे.
मैं तो डेली उठता हूँ
है फिर तो तेज बंदा है. इधर तो उठा नहीं,
डेली उठ रहा था 3 बजे
उठा नहीं जाता इधर तो.
नाइट स्किप
चैनल का नाम तो पूछा नहीं भाई.
शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलने का
काइजन योगा ट्रैवल.
काइजन
काइजन योगा ट्रैवल.
काइजन योगा ट्रैवल गाइस प्लीज
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब सब कुछ.
So this was the beautiful stay that we got from institute. Everyone got their hostels, and we were left out, but they finally arranged a beautiful instructor guest house for us. So thank you for that, Atal Institute. So now this is day one of our skiing class, and we really struggled with putting on the ski shoes because they were heavy, and had a lot of hooks, and anyhow we managed to put on those heavy shoes and walked our way to the backside of our hostel, of our guest house, and there was this first slope, where we trained for the day one. Instructors were really
थोड़ा
good.
आगे बैठ
I
भाई,
mean, they were
आगे
teaching
बैठ।
us from the very basic, from the scratch. We were not able to push ourselves on the day one. It was kind of a heavy struggle for us because we have never done it. And there were few breaks, and for that they provided snacks and chai and everything. This was a routine. We woke up at 6:30 every morning and went for a PT exercise, early morning stretch, and after that there was 2-3 ski sessions, and then at the evening, if you want to do a free run, that you can do too, but you should be able to handle yourself and your ski.
ये कर भी
वो सबसे टॉप में है वो है हमारे मुकेश भाई। इन्होंने आज ही सीखा है, देखते हैं। अभी तक बहुत अच्छा आ रहे हैं, शाबाश। बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। मजा आ गया।
This was another of their exercises where we had to leave our poles and just maneuver using our skis, and it was kind of forming a snowplow and managing your control. We fell a lot of times that I have not shared in this video, but eventually we managed to master this basic slope, and then we were taken to the next slope that was at a much higher angle than this, because this was a basic one, so it was quite easy to
वहाँ के 2 बार गिरा।
make yourself stop and you
हाँ।
won't hurt yourself if you fall there. So this is the fire that we lit every day because it was really cold, and also we used to wear sunglasses at night because everything was hazy when there was when you were staring at the fireplace, sitting around it, and there was smoke all around, so we recommend you wear sunglasses. There was one downside of snowfall. We didn't get to ski the days it was snowing, and what we do is just roam around in Solang Nala and just enjoy the weather.
जयदीप भाई सब ठीक?
बढ़िया सब एकदम।
सूरज भाई कहाँ गए हो आप? आ ही नहीं रहे हो आज।
फॉरेन आया हूँ।
स्विट्जरलैंड है, स्विट्जरलैंड स्विट्जरलैंड।
भाई यहाँ पे तो देख कितनी होगी है।
भाई हमारा लंच
मतलब
नहीं आएगा।
कितना सॉफ्ट है।
इतनी यहाँ तक है।
हमारा लंच मंगाना पड़ेगा, हम तो नहीं जा पाएंगे भाई। आज कितनी शांति है, कम से कम बसन मची गई।
आज ठीक है, टूरिस्ट भी कम आएंगे, नेट ठीक चलेगा हमारा।
आएंगे ही नहीं।
भाई चाय हमारे को पिला दो।
बस अभी से रास्ता नहीं है पीछे।
तो दोस्तों ये हमारा रोज का प्रोजेक्ट है। यहाँ पे साइड में हॉस्टल में से हमारे को लकड़ी लेके आनी पड़ती है नीचे से, क्योंकि ये देखो रास्ता मैं अभी 2 मिनट दूसरी वीडियो में दिखाता हूँ। ये सिर्फ जो है वो एक दिन की स्नोफॉल के बाद ही है यहाँ पे हाल, तो अगर इससे ज़्यादा होगी तो फिर तो मतलब मज़ा आएगा। भाई यहाँ गड्ढे जैसे आप लोग पता होगा, आप लोगों को गाँव में लोग चूल्हा जलाने के लिए लकड़ी लाते हैं। अरे यार जूते में घुस गई मिट्टी, ये बर्फ।
So on Sunday, when everyone went to their home, nearby locals, what we did, we booked a cab from Solang to Manali. It was again around 2000. It's a standard rate that you can pay, and we went to just celebrate that we have learned a few things in 8-9 days, and we moved on to the intermediate slope. So it was kind of a celebration, celebrating weekend. And after celebrating, we were back on the training session
नहीं वैसे
the very next day. So this is what we learned in 9-10 days, and this video is after the 10th day. So you can see that we have really honed our skill on the basic slope, and they made us do the same exercises on this more steeper section so that we don't fall every time we ski down. And these are the results. Everyone was at least able to successfully come to the landing zone.
यहाँ तक आना था भाई, कैमरे पे फोकस।
And then finally, after in our 11th 12th day, we were able to successfully do free runs, and we were able to come down with much more speed, much more control. So it was, I mean, really exhilarating to come down, but it was also exhausting to go up carrying your heavy boots and ski. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm leaving you with some of our runs that we did together. So see you again, and stay till the end to see what best runs we have done.
I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
भाई तेरी पीछे से बनती आ रही है, इधर को देख, इधर को देख,
I know what I'm supposed to do.
लंबा 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 लंबा। इसको मर्ज कर देंगे।
I know what I'm supposed to do.
स्की का स्ट्रगल है।
Supposed to do when you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so cool. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Smoothly.
वीडियो बनाते हैं भाई, इसका पूरा कैसे खोलना है।
कंपटीशन चल रहा है ना सामने,
हाँ
नाम दे देते हैं,
देंगे टाइम आने पे।
ट्रेन उठाकर हिमाचल प्रदेश से।
तो ये था सबसे डिफिकल्ट काम हमारा जो हम सीख चुके हैं, शूज पहनना और उतारना। था डिफिकल्ट भाई?
बहुत इजी है तो।
बस आपको ये जो लिप है उसको पुल करना है और पुश योर फीट आउट। सही है भाई, यही चाहिए इस पे। तो हमारे एमओ इंस्ट्रक्टर सूरज मेहरा, जयदीप रायजादा बेसिक माउंटेनियरिंग कोर्स का। हे भाई, कौन सा मेडल मिल रहा है तुम्हारे को? गोल्ड।
So guys, this was our whole trip. I mean, we were in tears when we were leaving. I'm kidding. Actually, it was a good experience, so we missed it a lot. And next time when we meet in the intermediate course, we hope to see everyone who was there in the basic course and do some extraordinary stunts on our next journey. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.